In today's crowded digital marketplace, simply having a website is no longer enough. To win customer trust and convert visitors into inquiries, your brand website must communicate professionalism, credibility, and value within seconds. With over 20 years of experience, Anglia shares the key strategies that separate competitive brand websites from forgettable ones. 1. First impressions. Start with design quality. Users form an opinion about your website within 0.05 seconds, and that judgment is almost entirely visual. A professionally designed interface with consistent brand colors, purposeful typography, and clean layout signals credibility before a single word is read. This is why investing in bespoke UI, UX design rather than generic templates pays dividends. Custom design aligns every visual element with your brand identity, creating a cohesive experience that builds trust. Whether you are a financial institution, an education provider, or a professional services firm, the design must reflect the caliber of your organization. 2. User experience determines whether visitors stay or leave. A visually stunning website means nothing if users cannot find what they need. Logical navigation, clear calls to action, and intuitive page structure keep visitors engaged and guide them toward conversion. Key UX considerations include responsive design across all devices, fast loading pages, accessible content hierarchy, and frictionless form submissions. For e-commerce platforms, a streamlined checkout flow with multiple payment options can dramatically reduce cart abandonment. 3. Content that demonstrates expertise. Your website content is your most powerful sales tool. Well-structured service pages, insightful blog articles, detailed case studies, and clear FAQs position your brand as an authority in your field. Content should be written for both humans and search engines, incorporating relevant keywords naturally while delivering genuine value to readers. Avoid filler text. Every paragraph should answer a question, solve a problem, or build confidence in your offering. 4. SEO and GEO, be found where it matters. A competitive brand website must be discoverable. SEO optimization ensures your site ranks well on Google, while GEO, generative engine optimization, positions your brand to be cited by AI-powered search tools like ChatGPT and Google AI Overviews. This means building clean technical foundations, proper heading structures, schema markup, optimized meta tags, fast load speeds, and mobile-friendly design alongside a consistent content publishing strategy that establishes topical authority over time. 5. Performance and security build silent trust. Visitors may not consciously notice a fast, secure website, but they will immediately notice a slow or insecure one. Page speed directly affects both user retention and search engine rankings. Every professional brand website should include SSL certification, regular backups, image optimization, caching strategies, and Core Web Vitals compliance. These are not optional extras. They are baseline expectations for any business serious about its digital presence. 6. A robust CMS keeps your website alive. A website that never changes is a website that slowly dies. A well-built content management system empowers your team to publish news, update services, add products, and refresh imagery without relying on developers for every small change. Anglia builds proprietary CMS backends with role-based permissions, version control, and intuitive interfaces so your website stays current and your content strategy stays on track. 7. Social proof and credibility signals. Today's consumers research before they buy. Displaying client testimonials, industry certifications, partnership logos, and real project examples provides the social proof that tips hesitant visitors into confident inquirers. We have delivered brand websites across fashion, beauty, F&B, government and NGOs, and many more sectors, each designed to maximize trust and conversion. Building a competitive brand website is not about following trends. It is about making strategic choices in design, content, technology, and optimization that compound over time. If you are ready to elevate your online presence, explore the Anglia portfolio or contact us to discuss your project.